Hello friends, welcome to my channel Unscambler, and today in this video I will solve this 3 by 3 Siamese Rubik's Cube. So this is very interesting Rubik's Cube, and in this cube we can use some 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube tricks. But in this cube, if we check this cube, so we can rotate in this cube our R move. Also we can rotate in this our U move, but in this 3 by 3 Siamese Rubik's Cube we cannot rotate our front face. So we cannot rotate this front side, so we will apply some new algorithm. And if we check this Rubik's Cube, so we have same color scheme. I mean, in top we have white, in down we have yellow, there is green, in this side we have orange, there is blue, and there is red. But in this cube we have some little bit changes. If we hold cube like that, so we can see we have one white center in this position, second white center in this position, third white center in this position. So we have total 3 white center. Similar, its opposite, we have total 3 yellow center. But our main center, so this is our main center. We will solve our cube from this center. I mean, our first step, we will create our yellow cross. Similar, in this side we will create our white cross. So this is our main center. And also in this 3 by 3 Siamese Rubik's Cube, when we scramble our cube, so our these centers are also rotated. I mean, if I rotate this position, so you can see our center rotated. So when we scramble this cube, so our this center will also rotated. So first we will find our center, and then we will able to solve our this cube. So this is very interesting Rubik's Cube. And now I will scramble this 3 by 3 Siamese Rubik's Cube, and then I will show that how we can solve this Rubik's Cube. So I have scrambled my 3 by 3 Siamese Rubik's Cube, and now I will solve this Rubik's Cube. Okay. So when we start to solve this 3 by 3 Siamese Rubik's Cube, so our first step, we will arrange our these centers. I mean, first we will find our correct center. I mean, in this side we have red center, but it doesn't mean in this position we will solve red face. First we will find our accurate center. So how we can find our correct center? We will check our these edge pieces. For example, in this edge piece we can see we have blue color. In this edge piece we have also blue color. So one blue edge piece, second blue edge piece. So we have also in this edge piece blue color. Okay, so now you can see there is white and blue. I mean, in this edge we have blue, there is yellow blue, also we have blue color in this position, there is red blue, and there is orange blue. I mean, in this portion we will ignore this side, we will find in this portion. So we have total 4 edge piece, we have common color blue. For example, if we check another color, so there is orange, there is also orange, there is also orange. So we have 3 orange, but we have no any fourth edge piece in which we have orange color. So our first step, we will find our correct center. So in this side we can see there is blue, there is also blue, there is also. So we have available 4 blue edge piece. It means in this top position we will solve our blue face. So first we will match 3 yellow centers. So this is our main yellow. We will match our this second yellow center. Similar, in this position we will also match our third center. So our first step, we will match 3 yellow, and also in this position we have matched 3 white. So now we will solve our remaining centers. So in this side we have find 4 blue common colors. It's mean in top we will solve blue face. So we will hide this yellow face on this position and then rotate this middle layer, and we will bring blue face in this top side, and now we will bring this yellow center back. So we have fixed our correct center because there is blue, and also we have 4 blue edge pieces. Okay, so if in this position we will solve blue, it's mean in this position we will also solve our blue face. So we will replace red with blue. So how we will replace? First we will hide this yellow in this position, then rotate this middle layer, and we will facing up this blue, and now we will bring this yellow face back like that. So in this side we have find our correct center. Now we will find in any other side, we can find in this position. So we will find 4 common color edge pieces. If we check green, so 1 green, second green, third green. Okay, so we can see we have available 4 green sticker. It's mean in top we will solve green color. If we check red color, so you can see 1 red available, second red, and third red, and we have no any red edge piece. So we have total 4 edge pieces. So we will find 1 green, second green, third green edge piece, and fourth. So in this side, in this edge piece we have green. This is our first green edge piece, second edge piece, third edge piece, and fourth. It's mean in this position we will solve green. So we will replace red, but first we will hide this white in this position, and we will facing up this green, and now we will bring this white back. And similar we will also place in this position green. So first we will hide this white, then rotate this middle layer facing up this green and bring this white back. So in this side we have also fixed our correct center. We will check from any other side. If we will check from this red side, so we will check our pieces. So 1 red we have available, second red we have available, and third. We have total 3 red piece available. We will check any other color. So 1 blue, second blue, one, two, 3 blue, and 4. Okay, so now we have find 4 blue edge pieces. In this side we have blue color. This is our second blue edge piece, this is third blue edge piece, and this is fourth. It's mean we will replace red with blue. So first we will hide this yellow in this position, then rotate this middle layer and facing up this blue, and now we will bring this yellow back. Similar in this position we will also put our blue color. So we will hide yellow and rotate this middle layer, and we will place our correct blue center and bring this yellow back. Okay, so in this side we have fixed our correct center. Now we will check our cube. So in this side we have select red. So we will find 4 red edge piece. This is our first red edge piece, second red, this is our third red, and this is our fourth. So this is our correct side. I mean in this side we have fixed our correct center. In this side we have also fixed our correct blue center because 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have also available 4 blue colors. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It's mean we have complete our first step. We have fixed all centers correctly. So this step we have complete. Now our next step, we will solve our this cross. I mean in this side we have yellow face, so we will solve yellow cross, and also in this position we will solve our white cross. So this is very easy step. We can select any one side. I mean first we will solve this line, this line, this line and also this line. So we can select any one. If I select this line, so we will hold cube like that. So there is yellow, there is orange. In this middle portion we need yellow and orange yellow and orange edge piece. So we have yellow and orange edge piece available, but there is, sorry, this is green and yellow. We will find yellow and orange. Okay, so this is our yellow and orange edge piece. This yellow and orange we need to fix on this position. So first we will match this edge piece with this center, then rotate these two top layer in this position, then this right layer rotate in this position. So you can see this is fixed. We will just bring it back, but in this position we will focus on this center. I mean we will not replace this center. There is green, so when we solve this portion, so we will not rotate our green, so otherwise our cube will not be solved. So in this side we have fixed orange yellow, and in this side we have already fixed white and orange. So this one line we have solved. Now we can select this line, we can also select this line, and also we can select this line. So any one line we can select. If I select this side, so there is white, there is blue. We will replace white red and we will fix white blue. So we will find our white blue edge piece. Okay, so there is white blue. First we will match white with white, and now we will fix this piece on this position. So we will rotate this complete layer in this position, then rotate like that and bring it back. So this is done, but we will must keep in our mind in these two center. So there are red. So one piece we have fixed properly, its opposite we will fix blue and yellow. So now you can see we have already fixed blue and yellow, but this is rotated. So first we will replace with any one piece. We can replace with this. So just rotate this layer, hide this on this position, then bring it back, and now you can see we have replaced with this. So now we will find yellow and blue. Okay, so this is our yellow and blue edge piece. We need to fix this piece on this position, but in this time we have one problem. So you can see our edge piece is rotated. In this time yellow is not matching with this yellow. So when we find this kind of situation, we will rotate our this piece. So how can rotate? Place this piece on this position, then rotate this middle layer like that, and rotate this top layer like that, and now we will hide this piece on this position. So this is done. Now again we will, our step we will reverse, because in this side we must place our this red center. Now you can see this piece we have rotated. We will just match with this, then rotate these two layer, bring this layer down and fix on its proper position. So this layer we have done, this is also done. Now we can select this and also we can select this. So anyone, if I select this side, so this is yellow and this is red. We need on this position yellow and red edge piece. We will find our yellow and red edge piece. So first we will find our yellow and red edge piece. Okay, so this is our yellow and red edge piece. We need to fix on this position, but same situation, our this piece is rotated. So again we will need to rotate this piece because we match yellow with yellow. So place this piece on this position, then rotate this middle layer like that, then take out of the way this piece, then hide this piece on this position, and now we will reverse our this setup. I mean we will again rematch our this center because there is blue and there is also blue. Okay, so now we have rotated our yellow and blue. So we will find our red and yellow piece. So this is our red and yellow edge piece. Now we will match yellow with yellow, and now we will place this yellow and red edge piece on this position. So rotate these two layer, this right layer rotate like that. So this is fixed. Now bring it back, and its opposite side we will solve red and white piece. So in this side we need red and white edge piece. First we will find in this portion our red and white edge piece. Okay, so we have available our white and red edge piece on this position. So now we will fix this piece on this position. So first match with this, then rotate these two layer, then this single layer rotate like that and bring it back. So this is also fixed. So this is solved, this is also solved, this is also. Now we have left with this layer, and we will also focus that in top side we have orange. So we will not rotate our this center. This is white and this is green. It's mean in this position we will need white and green edge piece. So this is white and green, but again this is rotated. So place this piece on this position, then rotate this middle layer, then hide this piece on this position and bring it down, and now we will bring our this portion back because this layer we have solved. Okay, so now we have white and green rotated. So we fix this white and green on this position. So rotate these two layer, this right layer, bring it down and bring it back, and its opposite side we will solve green and yellow. So there we need green and yellow. So we have available green and yellow on this position. Just match with this center, then rotate these two layer, bring this left layer down and bring it back. So now our first step we have complete. I mean we have complete our white cross. Also we have complete our yellow cross. And now we will check our these center. So there is orange. So we will must find our four orange edge piece. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's mean we have not rotated our this center. We will check any other. So there is green. So 1 green edge piece, 2, 3 and 4. This is also correct. We can check red. 1 red, 2 red, third. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is also correct. So now in next video I will solve this middle portion and also these two second layer.